Hey yo everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So before I go into this reaction, I want to say thanks to each and every individual who've came out and show the support, who share, who liked, who've commented, who subscribed. One of the most important thing on my channel. I love you all so much. One love, one heart to each and every creations who are watching this video from a specific era in Croatia. So my people, I'll be now reacting to another Marko Perković Thompson video, a live video. So this one is called Kletva, Kralja, Zvonimira. Guys, look, I'm sorry about names. Names are kind of a little bit, hard to pronounce. Okay, so people, with that being said, let's see what this man has for us today.
Učenje je bilo tako lijepo, možda prekasno. U ljevinom krvnu plaćemo. Ej, umorna zemlja izmučena. Ima li još što uvijeti za te? još ruke podignimo ih za sve hrvatske uznike i zahtjevajmo jako Kralju Dmitre Zvonimire!
That was incredible. That performance was incredible. The crowd was feeling the vibe. The crowd was feeling the energy to give what the artist that the artist is giving onto them. You know, excellent performance, excellent drumming, I should say. Very good. Very, very good performance. From I've been reacting to Mr. Thompson here. I never yet find any faults with him. His production is awesome. His professionalism is 110% for me. He never fails, he never falters. He's always dominating, he's always giving what the fans deserve. Alright? And to see him done something like this, it was actually very, very great. And for a great artist like that, alright, he's just making sure that everything that he's doing, it is just for him and the fans. Okay, so very great job, Mr. Thompson. Very awesome performance. You've done yourself an awesome job. You've done yourself something that is totally unforgettable. It's gonna be like down in the history of music where music is, where Croatian music is. And not just only Croatian music, different music and music lovers that stream Croatian music as well. It's gonna go down in their history as well. Alright, so people, thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon on, because I'll be diving into some more of Mr. Thompson's music and his performances. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in another reaction sometime soon.